Hello, I'm Maritza, and in today's video I will be sharing with you the January 2023 Teacher Self-Care Crate and all the goodies that are inside for this month's theme. Let's go ahead and dive right in, and I'm going to show you what's inside. The first thing that you will find when you open your very own Teacher Self-Care Crate is the info card. The info card has all the information about what's inside, including details about each item, and a QR code. If you are a subscriber, you will get access to digital downloads and wallpapers and so much more. So if you are not yet a member, go ahead and click on the description down below and you will find all the details to get your very own Teacher Self-Care Crate every single month. This month's theme is a daydreamer. You give your students all the reasons to dream big and the resources to achieve it. This month's self-care crate is about you and helping you dream and taking that break that you need. Let's go ahead and dive right into the items that are inside. The first thing I have here is the art print. The art print for this month is by A Dose of Reminders. This Dose of Reminders is your reminder that your body deserves to rest and recharge, take that break. And it's in this really cute cloud art print. And on the back, this is a reminder you're awesome and some writing lines for you to be able to write there. The next thing I have here is the magnetic key holder. This magnetic key holder holds your keys and keeping it all in one place. Very easy to attach to the wall in your classroom or even at home. I'm going to open it up to show you what it looks like. And there are also instructions on the inside of the box to easily find how to use it. And this is what it looks like. It's a little cloud and it has the sticky part on the back, so easy for you to attach just about anywhere. The next thing I have here is the Steamy Jasmine sheet mask for your eyes. Very easy to use, applies in 30 seconds, and it is infused with healing warm compress to steam eye mask to help you ease tension and encourage circulation. The next thing I have here is this Leopard Scrunchie. It is a smooth, silky texture. It's frictionless, and it says frictionless satin, protects you against fizz and tangles and tugging on for your hair. The next thing I have here is the sleep mask and pillow, and this is also a satin, silky, smooth. It's breathable, vegan, and it comes with the mask and the pillow sheet, and it helps you protect from skin blemishes and even hair creases. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. Very, very smooth. And this is the mask, and it has an adjustable strap on the back, easy to adjust to your fit and comfortable fitting. The next thing I have is the 4-color pen. This 4-color pen also has a little clip at the end so that you can clip just about anywhere, even on those lanyards, and carry around a pen that you can use. And it comes in 4 different colors, and it's you can hear the little clip to it. And the last thing I have is the weekly calendar. This weekly calendar is easy for you to keep focused and getting all those plans in order for the week. And it looks like this. It has a week of, with priority of the week, Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday on the ends, on the bottom, and a note section. Those are all of the items for this month's Teacher Self-Care Crate. Now I'm going to show you a glimpse of the digital downloads you can get with this month's theme. These are the digital items that you can get with as a subscriber. Now these also come in black and white. I have them printed in color here. And the first one I have here is the January 2023 calendar, already included some of the important holiday dates and a to-do list and note section. I have the resolution tracker. This one also comes in color. This is the black and white version. Dream Big Teacher Resolution. You can use this as a digital use or printable. And it has a couple different ones here with a easy checklist. the dreams and goals for 2023. This is very nice to use with your students in the classroom or even homeschool children. And it has a couple different sections here to fill out highlights of last year, goals for this year, and even use for yourself. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed all of the items that are in this month's theme for January 2023. I will see you next time. Thank you so much.